Hey everybody, happy Halloween. We have a haul and there's stuff buried behind stuff over here. So let's get to it. And I hope y'all are doing very well today. So let's move our way back here. We've got a can of turkey Spam. I got some silicone cupcake cups for baking, which I thought would be really handy. You won't run out of cupcake holders to do your baking. Reusable, washable. So I thought this would be handy in case you couldn't get your cupcake wrappers. I got a bag of peppercorns. I got a big bag of crispy onions. I got some Cattleman's barbecue sauce. I got a 12-pack of taco seasoning. I got another thing of honey. I use a lot of that in my husband's granola. I got some E6000 glue. Think about repairs you may need to make. You just never know. These have a fine point precision tip. Anyways, there's 3 in there, so you can do fragile or hard to get to areas if you need to repair something. Need to think about things that we can repair ourselves. I got another bottle of the nighttime cold and flu. I got some baking powder, pizza seasoning. I got some chili seasoning. I usually use all my own stuff to make chili, but this will help me from using up all my herbs and spices. I finally found my Goya Adobo, so I got one of those. I got 2 boxes. These are 3 pounds each of elbow macaroni. The elbows have been a little harder for me to get. I got fish fritter mix. This would be really handy to use with your canned salmon, your canned tuna, any kind of fish that you have on your shelf or in your freezer. You can do something different with it and make fritters, and that'll make it stretch even further. I got some Benadryl liquid gels. I got these because I've been having really bad asthma attacks and they're triggered by allergies, so the liquid gels work quicker. And then I got a twin pack of regular Benadryl, diphenhydramine, same thing. I got more ham broth because the Better Than Bouillon ham broth is getting scarce. I got some peanut butter. I store this for us and our dogs. These are dehydrated vegetables, vegetable blend for soup. Carrots, onions, celery, potatoes, bell peppers, parsley, green beans, and tomatoes. I got 2 packages of Q-tips, and I just noticed, I told my husband, I said I didn't even know that they were organic, but they are organic cotton swabs. Who knew? I got a flat of tomato sauce, and I like that they come in these containers because you don't have to worry about them rusting, so that's a good thing. I got a flat of pineapple slices, and both of these are sold this way, so I didn't just snatch up a flat off the grocery store shelf. I got some ice cream maker salt just in case, because I hear we're going to have salt problems. I got a 4-pack of tuna creations. I get this for $3.77 on Amazon in my auto ship. And then I bought this bread cookbook. Has lots of yummy recipes in it that look good. Bread bowls. And with it came a big package of yeast, 1 pound of yeast. It came with 2 pounds of bread flour, artisan bread flour. It came with a fancy schmancy bottle of white balsamic vinegar. It came with za'atar. It's a Middle Eastern herbs. It came with a box of garlic oil, so you can use this with your balsamic vinegar and dip your bread. There's 4 packages of that. And it came with a bag of sesame seeds, sunflower seeds, and pepitas, pumpkin seeds. So you have a lot here to start with your bread baking. I find deals on Woot here and there that I really like. Woot used to be pretty amazing, but of course they've been bought by Amazon, so they're not as amazing as they used to be. But every now and then I find some deals that are worth it, and I didn't know it was going to come with all these items, so that was kind of a nice bonus with the cookbook. I got 2 boxes of this corned beef. I've not heard of this brand, but this is from Sam's Club. I got 2 of those, and I'm almost out of my pink lemonade I've been drinking, so I got a 4-pack of the smaller sized ones, so it won't get humidity stuck together type issue. So, and these are 3 packs. So anyways, I just thought I'd share the rest of this haul. I don't usually do prices because of the fact that when I've added prices before, other states, the same store, their prices are different. So just because I get it here for one price doesn't mean the price will be the same at your store, even though it's the same store, which seems very odd to me, but that's what's been going on. So yeah, weird. Anyway, so I'm going to start unloading my pantry and get it reorganized in some sort of fashion. And make hubby's breakfast for a week. I'm going to try something a little different, so I'll probably do a video of that. So I hope you all are well, stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.